Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets and numbers. First we use the color of black. And now we draw the letter of A. Now we draw A. And the next one is B. Kids, now we draw the letter of C. The next one is D. Now we draw E. E for elephant. Now we draw numbers. First we draw the number of 1. O-N-E, 1. And the next one is 2. Now we draw the number of 3. And the next one is 4. Now we draw the number of 5. F-I-V-E, 5. Kids, now we draw 2D shapes. First we draw the shape of square. The next one is circle. Kids, now we draw the shape of triangle. And the next one is heart. And now we draw the shape of star. Kids, subscribe to our channel. Kids, now we coloring 2D shapes. First we use green color and now we draw and coloring the shape of square. Kids, now we draw the shape of square. We use green color. The next one is circle. Now we use black color. The shape of circle. Kids, black color. We again use black color. And now we coloring the shape of circle. Kids, the next one is triangle. Now we coloring the shape of triangle. Now we use blue color. The shape of triangle. And the next one is heart. Red color. Now we use red color. The shape of heart. Now we draw the shape of star. Blue color. We again use blue color. Kids, today we draw capital letter alphabets, numbers and 2D shapes. Thank you so much for watching.